Hey there, science explorers! Are you ready for an exciting adventure in the world of science? Today, we're gonna do a super cool experiment called the pepper scatter. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and you'll get to see some amazing science in action. We'll learn about something called surface tension. Surface tension is a fascinating property of liquids that makes the surface behave like a stretched elastic sheet. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand and enjoy the process. For this experiment, you'll need just a few things: a shallow dish or bowl, water, black pepper, and dish soap. These are all common household items that you probably already have at home. Get ready to be amazed as we make pepper dance and scatter right before your eyes. This experiment will show you how dish soap can break the surface tension of water and cause the pepper to move. Are you ready? Let's get started. Gather your supplies and follow along with us. This is going to be an unforgettable science adventure. First things first, let's fill our dish or bowl with water. You don't need to fill it all the way to the top, just enough so we have a nice surface to work with. This water is going to be our playground for the pepper. Surface tension makes the top of the water act like a stretchy film. We'll see this in action in a bit. Now comes the fun part. Grab your black pepper and sprinkle a generous amount onto the surface of the water. Don't be shy, the more pepper the better. What happens to the pepper? Does it sink to the bottom? Nope. The pepper floats on top of the water. Cool, huh? That's because of surface tension. It's like an invisible skin holding the pepper up. Section 4. Soap surprise. Watch the pepper scatter. Okay, get ready for the grand finale. Dip your fingertip into the dish soap. Just a tiny bit will do the trick. Now gently touch the surface of the water in the center of the dish. Whoa, what happened to the pepper? It scattered away from your finger like magic. Some of it might have even sunk to the bottom of the dish. That was awesome! Section 5. The science behind the scatter. Why did that happen? Remember how we talked about surface tension acting like a stretchy skin? Well, soap weakens that skin. When you touch the water with your soapy finger, you broke the surface tension. The pepper, which was happily floating before, suddenly had nothing to hold it up. So, it scattered to the edges of the dish or sank to the bottom. Pretty neat, right? Section 6. Safety first, experimenting responsibly. When it comes to science, safety is the #1 priority. Whether you're a seasoned scientist or a curious kid, following safety guidelines is crucial. Science experiments are a blast, but it's super important to stay safe while having fun. Wearing the right safety gear, like goggles and gloves, can protect you from unexpected accidents. Here are a few things to remember. Always listen to your instructor or teacher carefully. They know the best practices to keep you safe. Reading and understanding safety guidelines before starting any experiment is also essential. Always ask a grown-up for help before starting any experiment. Adults can help you understand the risks and ensure that you're following the correct procedures. Be careful not to get water or soap in your eyes. When handling liquids, always pour them slowly and carefully to avoid splashes. If you do, rinse them with water right away. It's important to know where the nearest sink or eye wash station is located in case of an emergency. After you're done experimenting, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. This helps remove any chemicals or substances that might be harmful if left on your skin. Safety first, science fun second. Remember, following these safety tips ensures that everyone can enjoy the wonders of science without any worries. So gear up, stay safe, and let the experiments begin. Section 7. Keep exploring. Science is fun! Congratulations, science superstar! You've embarked on an incredible journey of discovery and learning. You've just completed the pepper scatter experiment and learned about the amazing power of surface tension. This simple yet fascinating experiment shows how even the smallest forces can create big changes. Wasn't it cool to see how something invisible can have such a big impact? Surface tension is all around us, affecting everything from the way water beads on a leaf to how insects walk on water. Now that you know the secret, try the experiment again at home. Gather your friends and family and show them what you've learned. It's a great way to share the excitement of science with others. What happens if you use different types of pepper? Experiment with black pepper, white pepper, or even red pepper flakes. Each type might give you a slightly different result, adding to the fun and discovery. What about other liquids like milk or juice? The possibilities are endless. Try using water, milk, juice, or even soda. Observe how each liquid reacts differently and think about why that might be. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep having fun with science. Remember, every great scientist started with a simple question and a curious mind. Who knows what amazing discoveries you might make next? Stay curious, stay excited, and keep experimenting.